Hey everybody, welcome back. We're looking at Matt's 1956 CJ5 today. We got it out in the sun. We're taking it for a ride. We're going to run through it a little bit. And I want everybody to know that this Jeep is for sale. Matt is trying to sell this one and fund CJ2 number 8. He's got CJ2A number 8. So it's a big project, and he's letting some of his fleet go. And we're gonna go through this one. We're gonna take it for some test drive, and I'm gonna show you more about it. So let's hop in it and take it for a little ride. Okay, we got Matt in it. We should see him coming down here in just a second. Okay guys, 1956 CJ5. Open the hood, Matt. 4-cylinder. And this one does have the T98 4-speed. Factory original. Chassis on this one is mostly original. It's got a channel iron front bumper, but very solid. Chassis and springs and axles are all original. Brakes have been done. A ton of work has been put into this thing by the previous owner, not by Matt or myself. Like I say, it's a good runner. We've got some off-white rims, some Jetson tires, and let me take you around and show you the 4-cylinder. It's got a fresh battery in it, new carburetor. Fire it up, Matt. And we'll see how she fires up here. Very good running 4-cylinder. Looks like a fairly fresh wiring harness as far as I know. And it has fresh paint on it. The body, somebody put a lot of time into it, but it is a home-built body. I'm going to show you around here. The tailgate is not original, but super functional. Everything is very solid. Wheel houses are not original, but not a bit of rust in them. Lightweight roll bar, so you can put a bikini top on there. And tailgate does work and function as it should. Super heavy duty. This is not a Jeep for the purist, but it is a ready-to-go, super good driving summertime Jeep for somebody that just wants to take it to the beach, maybe take it for ice cream or something. Very solid. We're going to go through a few things with it, show you how it works. Everything works on it. 4-wheel drive works. We're going to show that in just a little bit. It has brand new seats in it. Again, not original seats, but they're brand spanking new.
Adjustable too.
And this one has the adjuster on it. And like I say, you can see by the shortened wheel houses that there's a lot of room for adjustment, and for a tall guy or a tall woman, this would be a fantastic Jeep. You can fit, if you're over 6 feet, you can fit in here pretty comfortably. And like I say, it does have the very desirable T98 twin stick transfer case. And Matt's going to drive around a little bit, and we'll get into some different scenarios with it and show you what we do. Okay, Matt's locking the hubs. We've got freewheeling worn hubs on this guy, and we're going to put it in different ranges here. I think he's going to stick it in 4 low, and we'll just go up a couple of grades and stuff. And just want to make sure everybody realizes everything is working on this Jeep. And here we go, nice and slow. crawls right along nicely in 4 low.
Show you how low that first gear is for the T98 crawler.
There's the T98 in first gear, and you could see the ratio. Much better than a T90C or anything like that. If you guys are looking for low range, the T98 is fantastic. And we'll continue going over this. Super easy to control in 4 low. Take it up, Matt. Hey guys, we've just been working our way through the farm property here, and we got ourselves back in the back area, which is just wooded forest land, and we're picking our way through here. Very capable Jeep, working through here just fine, up and over the walls, over the trees. We're going to get out of this area here, and then we're going to show you that it is capable of road speed as well. Drives very nice on the road. And we'll get ourselves out of this mess we're in here, and we'll meet you over on the blacktop. Nice and steady at road speed. Man shifting through the gears just fine. And we're just on a back road here, kind of cruising around 40 miles an hour. Jeep is nice and stable. And this will be a fun Jeep for anybody who's looking for a summertime buggy. Okay guys, I'm gonna turn this over to Matt. Like I say, this is his Jeep. He knows a lot about it, so go for it, Matt. Tell us what you know about the Jeep.
All right, so I got it from a guy not too far from here, and me and the guy before him, they both put a lot of money into this. You know, they were steady working on it, and some health issues caused them to drop out too soon. But you know, they went through all the mechanical, the brakes. You know, they put a new wiring harness in it. They did the body and the paint, new seats. They put the turn signals in, nice little update, and you know, they did all the rubber weather stripping and everything like that. You know, it's a nice driver. It's something, like Brian said, it's not for the purist. It's not, you're not going to go to the Jeep show and get the, you know, first place trophy. But you know, if you want to go fishing, go to the beach, go on picnics, it's a great vehicle for that. You know, it looks great. It drives great, and you know, it's going to be a nice vehicle for someone.
Okay, Matt, everybody's wondering, what is the price tag on this guy?
So the price tag on this Jeep is $6,500 or best offer. Like Brian says, I'm trying to raise some funds for the restoration of CJ5 number 8. So as much as I can get will be a great help, and it's going to a good cause. And you know, if you're somewhat local, I can possibly deliver it. And it also has a clean title. So for those guys that you know, have to have the title in your state, that's no problem. I got one for it. And you know, as well as the previous registration. So.
Okay, that's good. Connecticut here is not a title state, so we don't need titles, but it is good for you guys out of state. If you need a title, we have one with this. And we've been driving this around for a half hour or so. Hop in it, Matt. Fire it up again. It is a good running F-head. It should fire right up without any trouble. There she goes. So, there she is. It is a crisp, bright February day, and this guy is for sale. So I appreciate you guys watching the video. If anybody at all is interested in this, just put a comment below and I will put you directly in touch with Matt. And like I say, we're trying to get him moving on CJ5 number 8. So if anybody's interested in this, it'll help the project move along. And I will catch you on the next video. I've got a lot of updates in the shop and stuff, and I'll hit you with that next time. And come back and visit, and we'll catch you on the next one. As always, thanks for watching.